Today we're exploring the Pamo Babe 4-in-1 Portable Baby Crib Deluxe Nursery Center, a versatile and essential addition to any parent's toolkit. This foldable travel playyard is designed with your child's safety and comfort in mind, featuring smooth rounded corners and breathable mesh for easy supervision. With external dimensions of 43 inches long, 29 inches wide, and 28 inches high, this sturdy structure supports babies up to 33 pounds, making it perfect for newborns, infants, and toddlers. The easy assembly process requires no tools, allowing you to set up the play bed effortlessly, and its spacious design provides ample room for your little one to practice standing and playing once the cradle is removed. Ideal for family trips or visits to friends, the Pamo Babe playpen folds quickly and comes with a convenient travel bag that fits snugly in your car's trunk. Built with a durable frame and thick fabrics, this childcare center ensures long-lasting use, while two wheels at the bottom offer flexible mobility. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more product insights and reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.